Hello everyone, welcome to the video of mbatudes.com. Today in this video we are going to learn about concept of production management and its functions. When we are talking about the concept of production management, it is similar to the concept of management. That is, here we do a proper planning, we organize the activities, we do the proper directing about the production processes, we control the production activities. This everything is very essential when we are talking about the production management. Production management also deals with the decision making. Now, decision making related to what? The decision making related to the production processes. That is, which product has to be manufactured, how much quantity has to be manufactured, what is the specific duration of time in which it has to be manufactured. Because whenever you are been starting with the production activities, the whatever goods and services you are producing, it must be in according with the quantitative specification according to the demand, and that too it should fit within the minimal cost. Moving towards the next, now we will look upon what are the main activities of production management. The first is the procurement of input. Now, when we are talking about the input is the raw material, the labor, the machineries, whatever you are been required to carry out the production activities successfully. Then we are going to do the product design and development. As we all know, product design is such an aspect where you are going to get a differentiation between your product with the product of your competitors. So each and every company has to first decide how should be its product design, how you are going to develop the product. Each and every product should be having certain uniqueness. That is, one product should never be similar with the product of others. Slight changes even has to be developed within that product. The next is supervision and control. Now, when we are talking about the supervision and control, always there should be a proper direction and a proper controlling when you are doing with the transformation process. Transformation process is that when you are converting your input into the output. So, if a slight deviation also occurs, the product whichever you have been manufactured will result into the failure. So, it is better that a continuous supervision and a control has to be done. Then next is the function of production management. Now, when we are doing the production management, you have to design and develop the production process. Now, how you are going to design is exactly how you want the line of production. That is, which particular location you are being choosing for to produce that particular product, how the machineries has to be arranged, what kind of raw material you are going to be using for the same, what should be the particular duration when you're carrying out the production processes. This everything has to be designed. A continuous development has to be done in the production processes, because it is the task which will be a never ending thing until you get the finished product. So from the starting only, right from the designing till the developing, everything has to be looked and has to be given the priorities. The next comes about the production planning and control. Now, whenever you are been starting with the production process, you have to plan properly. As we have learned in management, that planning is a very important aspect. How much you are going to produce, that is, what is the quantity, what kind of material has to be used, what should be the duration allotted for the production processes, what kind of labor you are requiring, skilled labor, semi skilled labor, everything has to be decided. You have to establish the proper controlling, because controlling is that aspect which is going to sum up somewhere with what you have decided and what you have did. Means whatever the gap is being generated between the desired production activities and actual production activities, this is going to be properly managed with this particular production planning and that controlling aspect. The next comes about the implementation of plan and related activities to produce the desired product. We have designed the production process, we have done a proper planning, we are establishing the controlling, we are doing all the developing. Now we have to start on executing the plans, whatever we have designed, whatever we have decided, and we have to start with the production activities so as we can complete our aim, that is production of the desired output. Next comes about the administration and coordination of the activities. As we all know, administration part plays a very crucial role in the organization. Every and each activities has to be administrated, it has to be cross checked, there should be coordination between each and every activities, because one slight of the mismanagement leads to the entire failure of the production process. So it is very important to have a proper administration and coordination. The next is getting a real time insight to the production. You have to look forward that for manufacturing this particular product, what is the time duration you are been requiring, because it should not be a too lengthy process that you are been doing and doing the activities and the end product is getting too much delayed. It should not be the thing. You have to think, you have to focus that when I'm going to start with the production activities, what is the real time for that, in what particular time it is going to manufacture. Then the next is improve performance with flexible routing. You have to keep on monitoring the performance aspect wherever there is a requirement that you have to change the routing, that is routing in the sense that the material right coming from the warehouses to the production unit, it has been put into the machineries, the production activities are been carried till the finished products are been received. Everything has to be looked forward. Wherever it is necessary, you have to make the changes to get the final desired product. Thank you. If you want more detailed notes related to the management, you can click to our website, that is www.mbatutes.com. Surely give us the feedback if you have liked our video. Thanks for the listening. Thank you.